Is he?
He doesn't want nothing to do with it.
She's like licking his
She's like all about it. She's like, yeah.
I think she's biting it. Yeah.
Kitty cannabis.
She's eating it.
She's gonna be high as a kite. That's hilarious. Princess, you fat cat.
Princess. That it.
That's so funny.
I wonder what happens when I take her away.
Jack, let me rub.
Put it over here. Go. She's like, can I reach it? She is so high. What?
Just seeing how tall you are.
Taller than you.
Yes. Punk.
Mm-hmm. Thursday? Well, we had a bunch of tests. That's all I know.
Don't!
I am.
The kitty.
Shove a broomstick in your face.
No.
Hey, broomstick.
Oh, you scared the fatness.
Seamus plays with the broomstick, Mom.
Hello, Shamuzi.
Look. He like plays with the one upstairs.
Oh, does he?
Yeah, he like chases it. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like this one.
My tall, bald ass cat. Like literally, his ass is bald. Wow.
He's mama.
Too close.
He meows when he's close to you.
Meow. Meow.
Back downstairs.
Hello, Shamu.